This chocolate and custard layer pudding is so easy to put together but tastes amazing. For this you will need a chocolate pound cake. I'm using the store-bought one. You can even bake it at home and use it. Just slice it into thin slices and layer it on a square pan. Next I'm going to make the custard. For that, in a pan pour 500 ml of full fat milk and let it come to a boil. Add 2 sachets of caramel custard powder and mix it well. In a bowl, add cream and condensed milk and stir it until combined. Pour this mixture into the caramel custard milk. Pour half of the mixture over the cake layer. Place another layer of cake. Pour the remaining milk mixture over the layer of cake. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until the custard gets set. Next I'm going to make the milk chocolate ganache. For that, add milk chocolate and whipping cream in a bowl and microwave it in 20-second bursts until the chocolate gets melted completely. Pour the chocolate over the custard. I would suggest adding another layer of cake before pouring the ganache, because as I poured the ganache directly over the custard, it was tricky to slice it. The ganache was slipping out from the custard. But instead, if you have a cake layer beneath the ganache, it would be more set. The whole pudding should be refrigerated overnight so that all the layers would have come together and will be set beautifully. We all loved how this pudding turned out. If you give it a try, please do let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.